the community cleanup, recycling, and waste collection event coming up. And this is for residents of Camden County, right? I know every year when you're a homeowner, you live on your own, your family, you have stuff around the house starts building up and you're like, man, where do I take this?
Yeah, how do I get rid of that?
Well, listen, Saturday, April 26th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., you can take it to Woods Parking Lot and Sunrise Beach, and this is for residents of Camden County. Items are only going to be accepted from residents, not commercial businesses, and things being accepted are furniture, clothes, 4 tires per home at $2 per tire, additional tires $5. So you're gonna have to pay, they take tires off your hands. E-scrape, which is electrical, scrap, bulk debris, and 2 appliances per home. Yard waste will not be accepted. And then household hazardous waste will not be accepted at the community cleanup, but they do offer waste drop-off locations. This is all from the Department of Natural Resources in Missouri, but it's sponsored by the LOWA, in Camden. LOWA, Camden County Commission, Lake West Chamber of Commerce, Woods Supermarket in Sunrise Beach, and the Lake of the Ozarks Solid Waste Management District. But hey, if you live in Camdenton, take advantage of this, right? This is a good deal.
Yeah, because I mean, for most people, you do acquire junk over the course of a year. If you get new furniture, all of a sudden, what do you do with the old furniture? Or the tires, that's a big thing. Right. I mean, how many times you drive, down a road and there's, somebody has got, a bunch of tires out in his yard. Sure. It's like, how do you get rid of those? So there you go. There's the way to do it right there.
Yeah, and I like the recycling as well because, clothing, we're in such a consumer society. We waste so much, right? So this is cool. Shout out to everyone involved in the Missouri Department of Natural Resources. So make sure you mark your calendar, April 26th. And I mean, there's a ton of stuff going on the rest of this month.
And take advantage of that hazardous waste thing too. That's another huge thing. You got paint left over, you've got things like that you need to get rid of. You don't know how to get rid of. There you go, hazardous waste.